Tinakoto, Ko Sigurd Wilbanks Toko Ingoa, and you may remember me from Bioc 192, where I lecture on hemoglobin and enzyme kinetics. I'm also a course advisor in biochemistry. If you are thinking about a degree in biochemistry or just want to add a biochemistry paper to another degree, I'd be happy to talk to you at this email address. If you liked Bioc 192 or the biochemistry bits of Cells 191, you'll love learning more about biochemistry.
So I decided to do biochemistry because I found the actual molecular workings of the cell the most interesting.
Just tried it in first year, really liked it.
And when we had biochemistry in second semester of first year, I really enjoyed it, so I just decided to carry on with it.
Also wanting to do more with like genetic engineering with proteins and stuff. So that's kind of my passion.
And then I really enjoyed forensics as well, so I thought that this biochemistry path would be a good way to enter into forensics.
And I'm doing 300 level biochemistry and loving pretty much all of it.
During your study, you will learn details such as how ribosomes read mRNA into protein and how cell surface receptors change shape, translating an extracellular hormone signal into an intracellular cascade. Even more important than learning what it is others have discovered, you will learn how they discovered that and how to translate that into your own work.
I like knowing about the little components of how things work. The higher you go, the more you figure out that we don't know lots, and that's very, very exciting to me.
Just getting to actually work in a lab and doing proper science, that I just find it really interesting.
It's more like hands-on. We get to see the experiments unfold and how the steps progress with learning off our demonstrators and everything. That's my favourite part because they're obviously inspired too, so we kind of pick up on the enthusiasm. It's really fun.
Very detailed focused work. I kind of enjoy the actual looking at the proteins and kind of understanding at a molecular level why things work.
The labs I did in physiology and stuff felt more planned for you, whereas biochemistry you get to do it yourself a little bit more and figure it out on your own, which means making many mistakes, but you learn and it's very fun.
Everyone in the biochemistry is very lovely. The demonstrators are nice, the teachers, lecturers are always helpful and able to answer questions quickly. They're very responsive on emails and stuff, and you can go talk to them and they're just normal, friendly people.
And there's a whole range of diverse characters and people within with the same passions. That's pretty cool.
Everyone seems really friendly. I met anyone I haven't enjoyed talking with.
And everyone's so enthusiastic about biochemistry. I mean, it is true of other departments as well, but I noticed it more in biochemistry. People seem to be really, really passionate about it here, which is really and you feel that in the labs and in the lectures, and it makes you excited as well.
As a graduate with a BSc in biochemistry, you'll be a master of a range of skills in the laboratory, allowing you to ask questions either with a pipette or by analyzing big data sets with a computer. Most of our graduates don't work as research biochemists, but apply their transferable skills to a broad range of careers. Sarah, senior scientist at Amgen in California, is looking for cures to diseases. Jack is looking at renewable energy sources in Norway. Others, like Dick, are teachers, or like Amy, science journalists.
I'm going to apply it to more financial side of things. So I'm going to research biomedical companies and the products that they're bringing out to market.
Doing a bit of a 180, but using the knowledge I have in my degree to do environmental health officer role in the army.
My friend, he did a bit of biochemistry, and he's now applying for postgraduate entry into a professional program.
Biochem's definitely an awesome foundation for that.
I'm planning on going to Postgrad.
Postgrad? Yeah. Inspired to do more.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Requirements for BSc in biochemistry are easy. Next year, take Biochemistry 221 in the first semester and Biochemistry 222 and 223 in the second semester. In your third year, take all 4 of the 300 level biochemistry papers. So what other papers should you take? It depends on your interests. Whatever papers you select, keep your option open. I'd love to talk to you about other papers that might complement your degree or anything about planning your course of study. Email me at this address. Thanks for your attention.